In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find more views for a board in monday.com. We'll walk through, step by step, how to discover and add different views to your existing board so you can look at your data in the way that makes the most sense for you and your team. Start by opening the monday.com board where you want to add a new view. At the top of your board, you'll see a bar that shows your current views, such as main table or any custom views you already have. Look along that bar for a small plus icon. This plus sign is your starting point for finding additional views. Move your cursor over to that plus sign and click it. This tells monday.com that you want to add another way to display your board's information. Once you click the plus icon, a small menu will appear. In that menu, look for the option that says Explore More Views. This option opens the Views Marketplace for your board, where all the available view types are listed. Go ahead and click Explore More Views. You should now see a panel or window with a collection of different view options. At the top of this panel, there will be a search bar. This is where you can quickly find the specific view you're interested in without scrolling through everything. Click inside the search bar and start typing the name of the view you want. For example, you could type Calendar, Kanban, Gantt, or any other view type that you know exists in monday.com. As you type, the list below will filter automatically, showing only the matching views. This makes it much easier and faster to locate exactly what you need. When you see the view you're looking for appear in the list, move your cursor over it and click on it. This click selects that particular view and usually opens a short description or preview, so you can confirm it's the one you want. After selecting the view, look for a button that says Add to Board. This is the final confirmation that you want this view to become part of your board. Click Add to Board. monday.com will then create that view for your current board and add it to the views bar at the top. From now on, you can simply click its name in the views bar whenever you want to switch to that layout and see your data from